Hello friends, welcome to Informative Media. My name is Ankit and I'm going to tell you how we can fix the scroll issue. And if in case you are also facing this scroll issue, you might also be facing left click or right click issue. So guys, if in case you are new to my channel, just wanted to tell you this left click and right click video I have already created earlier, almost like 2 years back. So I will provide you a link on the top right corner. If in case you want to review that video, you can just go and see and you can fix your left click or right click problem. Now we will talk about your scrolling issue. So guys, scrolling issue is bit different than to your clicking issue, and clicking issue was difficult to fix than to your scrolling issue. So in both the cases we have to open this box, and to open this box we have a kit over here. I will provide you a link of this particular kit, and if in case you have any other screwdriver which can open your mouse, then it's great, else you can buy it from the link down below. Also guys, if in case you have some petrol or some alcohol based spirit, then it would be great to clean your mouse. Else you can also use some kind of face wipes to clean it, because they also contain rubbing alcohol, and which will help in clearing the mouse scroll. So let's start and open this particular mouse. So guys, if in case you are having a wired mouse, then even the process is very same. So just you have to open all the screws out of your mouse. So one screw is generally hidden inside this particular space. Generally we have a pad over here. I just removed it, and now you can see there is a screw over here. I will just open this one because it has only one screw inside it. So there is only one screw, as I told you. Now we would be doing is we will just open this lid which is having some cells, and we'll just remove these cells so that we make sure we don't destroy our circuit if in case we touch anything. Although there is nothing serious that we are going to do, it's very easy trick that I'm going to tell you. So once this is done, you will be able to open your mouse, be it your wired mouse or be it your wireless. So now it's open. As you can see, here is the circuit, right? So now as you can see, in circuit we have this scroll, and this scroll sometimes skips, right? So whenever you're scrolling on your machine, on your laptop, on your desktop, and when you scroll, you find it skipped scrolling sometimes, and it is actually very irritating that it is skipping scrolling. So what is the proper solution to it? So there is two ways. I would not say two ways, but yes, there are two things that you have to do to make it correct. So first thing is cleaning. I would need some spirit just to clean it. So what I will do is, I'm not taking any earbud or something. What I'm doing is, I have just dipped my screwdriver in it so that it will have just a single drop of spirit or alcohol or petrol, whatever that you are using, and I will just put it over here. And after putting it, what I need to do is, yeah, now it's done. So after doing it, I will just scroll it quickly. Okay, so why I'm scrolling? Because all the rubbing alcohol will go inside. Okay, now once you have done this, you have scrolled it enough. Now what you can do is, the second thing that you have to do is, you need to tight it inside. So as you can see, this particular portion gets inside this sensor. Okay, so you need to push it from here and just push it, and you will hear tick voice, tick. Okay, and once that is done, and you will scroll it, and you will feel that it is now tight. And once that is done, you need to again pack your mouse in the same way as you have opened it. And once you pack it, you will find that your mouse starts working perfectly, and you don't need any new mouse anymore, and I have just saved your money. So I hope I have made this video in a very simple way, and you might be able to solve issues related to your mouse, and now you will be able to save some 150 rupees or $2 to buy a new mouse. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe it.